Oh my gosh. Help me! Help! 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 If anyone can hear me, please call 911. I'm in Spanish Fork Canyon. No cell phone service. Panic attack and multiple heart attack conditions with symptoms. Oh. There's nobody here. Oh. Owie. Somebody's here. Somebody's here. Alright. I'm having a big old panic attack. It just kicked on, and all of a sudden I started overheating and don't have cell phone service, and now I'm stuck like this for a few minutes. Oh, brother.
Help you most?
Well, I'm not sure because my hands are pretty numb, so I'm just trying to keep telling myself today's Tuesday, it's between 6:30 and 7, and I'm going to be okay, but so far that's not working.
Do you want us to get some help coming or what?
I don't know.
So what happened? Did you just feel something coming on you, or was it mechanical problems, or what?
I have panic disorder, so I have panic attacks. And when I have panic attacks, I overload on oxygen and I dump all my carbon dioxide. And so everything turns into a great big muscle cramp. Yeah. So, I don't know exactly the best thing to do except for ride it out. You know? Well, boy, it's scary.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
I don't know if you've ever seen these or not, but
I haven't.
it's not fun.
No.
So,
What have you done in the past to help you when this happens?
Well, my doctor has me take a medication, but I can't take it because I'm driving.
Yeah.
So I try real hard to make sure I'm not going anywhere alone, but today I didn't have much of a choice.
So which way are you headed now?
I was actually